everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to edit the colors of your Squarespace template. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to customize your site's color palette using presets provided by Squarespace, extracting colors from an image, and selecting specific colors. Let's get started. Alright, first you're going to navigate to the top right corner of your site and click on Site Styles. Well, mine is already open actually. Here it is. Oh, let me do this again. Okay, and then you will click on Colors. And Edit Palettes. So, as you can see here, you have the 3 options: presets, from image, and from color. The first method is using the presets. As you can see, Squarespace offers a variety of preset colors palettes that are professionally designed to look great together. So as you switch them, so let's just me show you. As I switch them, it changes the color of my background, and sometimes it will even change the color of my button or my the font. Okay, and it's an easy way to refresh the way your website looks. Then the second option is extracting colors from an image. So I have this image right here that I will use for this example. But first I'm going to click on From Image, and then you can either drag or drop, and you can also select it. So let me just select it for you right here. All right. And upload. Well, it might take a few seconds before it updates, and there you go. So as you can see, based on this image, Squarespace selected these colors for your website. This is a fantastic way to create a cohesive look if you have a specific image that represents your brand's color. Up now, another way that you can change your colors for your website is using the third method, which is selecting specific colors. If you have brand colors or a specific color in mind, you can manually enter these to customize your palettes directly. And here, once you are on this, you can use the color picker to find the perfect shade. So for example here, and then once I want to change this one for a more greenish look, so I can either play with the color picker here, or if I have a color hex already for my brand, I can just enter it here. Same thing for the second color. Here, for example, I'm going to go more for deeper green. All right. And then I'm going to change that one for an even more green type of color. Here you go. And that way I can create my own palette for the website that will match my brand. And just like that, as you can see, you have complete control over your site's color, ensuring they align perfectly with your brand. So there you have it. 3 simple ways to edit the colors of your Squarespace template using presets, extracting from an image, and selecting specific colors. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in by email. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.